need to say what I've been through. He already know what I'm into. He be reading my mind like it's...
Hey guys, I'm walking backwards because the sun is this way. I don't know if mommy started the vlog or not, but we're going to the mall today. The boys need sneakers. There's a truck behind us. Come, Stinky.
I got you. I'm coming, mommy.
Izzy, don't pass the red line, please.
Okay, I won't.
It's wet. You'll get stuck.
I won't. Oh, it's wet.
Damn, Mom, look. No, you're not going to Ross.
I thought he was going to Ross.
No, it's the store beside it.
Why can't we just go through Ross and then go to the store beside it?
No. Put it in my pocket.
Oh, no.
I'll put it. I'll put it.
No.
Oh, mom.
Oh, I know how to mop, guys.
Mom.
Put your right hand up. Put your left.
So guys, I am with my sons today. They are out. We are out and about on this Saturday. We are currently in Five and Below. Chris said he wanted a case. I want to change my case as well. Case. So guys, everything in here is $5. It's called, well, not everything, because it's called Five and Below. Sometimes they have 2 for $5, but most things are $5. Let me see. Her said clear. What's that, a speaker?
Well, mommy, you know where it is?
I need headphones, that's what I need.
Oh, and a screen protector. So what type of phone you want? Just 7. That's all that's plus. Just read on the I want to switch off my case. They have anything where I could put my card? I have nothing like that.
Wait, mommy, I think it's counter. Look, here goes the iPhone 8.
What's this?
I think this is the case. That's supposed to say that I'm being black and white. The rest is so girly.
Is it clear?
It's clear, but you have that color around it. Huh? You got a black.
Oh, this phone, your phone, mom's phone.
You got black.
Push just need a screen protector.
I gave you two.
Yeah, he didn't. We are on to the sneaker store. Oh, to find these boys some sneakers. Hopefully they have their size. Isaiah needs some basketball sneakers. The basketball because his one out. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. So we're going over to the men. We came to what is called BOGO. Buy one, get one 50% off. So it was a success. Found some size 14 for Christian. Got some shoes for Izzy. We didn't get any basketball shoes back there, so we'll head over to another mall. So it's our day out. We're gonna go to Memorial City, have some lunch. Yeah, we have to, the academy is where we have to go.
So we're back at the mall.
Yeah, I know.
She picked up and bought a lot. Too much. Too much.
Wait, do I take off my
I'm never doing this again.
Do I have to
This is
take
my
off my
final
face to do
goodbye.
Hey, chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets.
Keep the shirt.
It's so blurry.
Yeah, I know. It was.
He don't even know how to put on his jacket.
Zip it up.
Trying to show Izzy drip, but drip. Okay.
Izzy, don't
Come on, Isaiah.
No, you gotta want a colorful side, bro. So those are shoes.
Yes.
That's dripped out.
No, that's dripped out. This is gonna be dripped out, yeah. Not even gonna lie.
It was so nice. I bought a white hoodie to put on. I'm not trying to put my hoodie on because it's white.
This one looks better.
And my makeup, I'm not trying to mess that up, you know? Trying to check on my lashes. My eyes been watering. I'm gonna have to grab some glue and fix that. Temperature dropping.
Oh, I'm drippy. I know one of my jacket. So, baby. I'm drippy, huh? Okay, I'm actually drippy. Not even gonna lie. You think I'm drippy?
You drippy. Let me see the fit. Let me. Ooh.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna show the fit when we get in the mall. A small lighting. Okay,
this one looks
guys.
so better.
See you guys
The
when we
other
get
side
in.
is kind of good.
Let me show you a drip.
I'm dripped out.
Let me see. He feeling herself much? So guys, I dropped my keys in Katie Bell's mall today. Thank goodness we found the bag. Let me sit and fix my shoelace. Now we can figure out what we want to get to eat. Here go, precious. Here. Because I'm not trying to walk to find this.
Easy. Alright, so how this gonna work though?
Okay, we saw which place it was.
Master Walk.
Master Walk, right?
Master Walk.
Oh, Master. Forgot to show y'all my food and the kids' food. I got lo mein and what is it? Bourbon chicken. Christian got orange chicken and lo mein. Precious got fried rice and lo mein. Easy got fried rice and lo mein and orange chicken. Isaiah got lo mein and bourbon chicken. Whatever chicken it is. And yes, guys, We do buy our food and get the drinks from somewhere else because the drinks is much cheaper at McDonald's. Okay, $1. A large drink, you know? Yeah. You guys actually eat.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
He ain't do that, huh? Oh, there you go. There you go. Go, come on, do it.
And we could you wanna go? No. Go. Go, baby. Go. Come on, go. Look, he's calling you. Go. Let me come with you. Go. Mom's gonna go. Come on. I got it.
They just circled around. That's the ones that was over there.
I put a Remy on a pillow. Mixing about your ex and then he dead. I'm buying green, but I get mad at least.
Hey man, it's your boy Little Miles, the M-A-G-I, all 2020 is moving. We're not stopping, we're going up, man. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and join us. You know what I'm saying? Cause we going up all this year, man. So you don't want to miss the movement, man. So everybody that's watching my channel, everybody not watching the channel, we going up all this year.
No need to say what I've been through. He already know what